Kanengi abongazimbi abakhahlunyezwako bafuna isizwe emapholiseni ekukulapho bathi nabafika khona batshiwo ngemibuzo eminingi ngasikhathi bebakhuthazwe ukuthi bangake bangalivula icala. Ungazimbi ngihloka igama uthi ukholwa bona amapholisa anyaza amagadango wakhe wokulinga ukuzivikela. Ungazimbi lo wafunela usobanda bakhe iprotection order ngemva kokumkhahlumeza kanengana. Bathi indoda leyo sele neminyaka 15 ajade nayo yakhupha igama lokuthi ayikazi ukuvinjwa liphetshana nje ukuthi ingaraki nokumkhahlumeza. Uthi wezwa ubhlungu khulu mhlazana bona iveni amapholisa iphekele indoda kwakhe ekhaya ngemva kokuthi ayibophisile.
I was really hurt that if the police are doing this and if the police are bringing him home, then it means what I'm doing it's not taken serious. And it means my life is not valued. Okay, fine.
Sikhuluma nje ungazimbi lo uhlala endaweni ephephileko yabo begodu uthi uyasaba ukubuyela ekhaya. Igcode elithileko likhuthaza abomma ukuthi baye ekhotho bayokufuna incwadi ekhandela umsolo kubakhahlumeza begodu bawavule namacala wokukhahlunyezwa. Nanyana kunjalo kunezinto ezikhandela ukufikelela umthetho ezibangelwa indlela yokungasebenzi ngefanele okwehlelo lenarha le. Umtlolo wokuthi ungazimbi ayiphekelele yena ngokwakhe incwadi evikela ukukhahlunyezwa kwakhe kumsola kunye nokuriyada kokutholakala kwayo ngezinye zezinto ezigcina zibangele ukuthi abongazimbi abanengi balahlekelwe lithemba abanye bagcine bayingalile indaba yomtlolo iprotection order le neyokuvula amacala.
We need to look at what's in law. That's the first thing. And then we go into what's in practice. In law, it's not mandatory that the applicant or the victim goes and points out the respondent. They can assist the police where the respondent is unknown or the whereabouts are not known. Then that's where they can do that. But it is not something that's standard. The police often are the ones that do the service.
Okhulumela amapholisa uVishna uthi abongazimbi abakakateleleki ukuthi bakhambe namapholisa bayokukhomba umsolo nakusiyincwadi ekhandela ukukhahlunyezwa kwabo begodu uthi wonke amacala asetshenzwa ngendlela ezihlukahlukeneko kuqalwe ubunjalo bawo.